It began in the smoke and the wire, with canvas, courage, and a rotary engine's scream.
Then came the prophets, the first whispers of the jet age, a new kind of thunder.
Speed became a religion, altitude a sanctuary. We drew lines in the sky with afterburners.
We learned to hide in plain sight, to be a shadow, a rumor. The pilot became a systems manager, the sky a networked battlefield. And now, the next evolution. Not just an aircraft, a mind in the cloud.
This journey, from fabric to femtoseconds, is our passion. And you, our first 100 subscribers, are the first squadron on this flight line.
Thank you for joining us. Strap in. The next century starts now.